Let's quickly fix this DNS server not responding issue. It is just two-step process. Open Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Now click on Network and Internet option. Then click on Network and Sharing Center option. On the right side, you should find an option to change adapter settings. Click on that. A new window for network connections will open. Now select your network icon, right click on it and choose Properties. Now select IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4 option and then click on Properties button. In IPv4 settings, use manual DNS. Now fill in 8.8.8.8 in the first and 8.8.4.4 in the second box. Tick on checkbox Validate settings upon exit. Click on Save and close Properties window. Do not close Network Connection window. In Network Connection window, you should see an option for Diagnose this connection. Click on that and it will refresh all the links and connection parameters. Now close Network Connections. Now open Start menu and type in CMT. Right click on command prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now execute this command. Type ipconfig/all and hit enter. This will list down your current IP configuration. Now open Start menu and open Control Panel for our further important settings. Now again click on Network and Internet options. Then click on Network and Sharing Center option. Again on the right side click on Change Adapter Settings. Now select your network icon, right click on it and choose Properties. Now this time click on Configure button. Now navigate to Advanced tab. Search for network addresses in the property list. Now set 0 as a value and click on Save. Now right click on network icon and select Disable. Once disabled, again right click on it and choose Enable. The problem should be fixed by now. You are good to go.